draw the nose. So the nose is probably the easiest one that we're going to draw. I find that it's easiest to use the pencil tool, so I'm going to select the pencil tool, and I'm actually going to eyedrop the color that I need right away. Normally we do it second or at the end, and I'm going to select this nose right here, and I'm going to zoom right in on it. And all I want to do is I want to follow along the outline and come back in and close the path. Remember, everything in Illustrator, you have to close the path. So I'm going to go down and around like this and close the path. Up, and I drop that, there we go. And then do the same thing right here. And I drop it and close the path. And that's it.